I'll be teaching you how to connect your CATS token to BitGet or ByBit. But of course, I'll be using BitGet in this video because of two major reasons. And the most tangible is that ByBit has not listed the CATS token. The one that is there is actually on the Solana network, which is not the right one to use. And CATS has announced that it's going to take the snapshot in matter of hours. And so that's why BitGet is the only option for Nigerians. But the challenge is that BitGet does not work in Nigeria. If you have not been using it before, you just want to register for an account, it will be telling you that your account is susceptible to risk and contact customer support. You will not be able to use it. But I did it. I registered for an account. How did I do it? Very, very simple. And I'm going to be taking it through the process step by step to Play Store or Google Store, and then come to XVPN. It is this XVPN that I used. It's very, very easy. So you want to download and install it, and it's actually very easy to use. Very, very easy. So after doing it, just click on open and then agree to the terms and conditions and the likes. Just don't allow, or you can allow. So you'll be able, it's asking for the password of my phone to be able to use VPN. And so it's asking me for 7 days free trial, and then I will be paying for this VPN. But don't worry, you won't pay a dime. So I just click on continue, and it's clicking on subscribing. So it's confirming the amount I'm going to be paying every month, but I'm not going to pay anything for this lesson. So it's saying payment required. So I just have to swipe and cancel it, take it away from the background and open it again. And then when you open it again, you'll be able to see that you can put on this. You can put on the VPN. So now, without registering, without anything, without paying, I can be able to do it now. So I just click on this power button. The VPN is on. So now I can go to BitGet to register for an account. And I'll be able to register the account on BitGet. BitGet right now, I'll not get the error message that I used to get before I started using VPN. So now, this is BitGet Exchange. There is BitGet Exchange and BitGet Wallet. What we are using is BitGet Exchange. And because I've turned on the VPN, I want to cancel all the applications that are running in the background, because it can affect the behavior of some applications, and especially if you are using some exchanges that are banned in some countries. So now I've downloaded BitGet Exchange from Play Store or Apple Store. So this is it. I open it, accept all. So click on this dot on the top left, and you'll be able to, register for an account. So I want to create an account, and I put my email and password, and then I click on create account, and this is where it brings me, and I click I'm not a robot, and it's asking me some security question, and then I click on verify. So now it sends something to my code to my email, and the code is going to arrive within seconds. So this is the code. So I now have to 702582. So I now have to put the code and then click on submit. So it's telling me that the country or region is not supported, because the VPN actually gives me a country that's not supported. So what I have to do, I intentionally leave this for you in case that's what you see. You put off the VPN and then take it away from the background, cancel it, swipe it up and cancel it entirely, and then open it afresh. And then when you open it afresh, then you put the VPN on again. Then hopefully right now it's going to give you an eligible country, because sometimes this VPN gives you Canada, UK or US, which BitGet does not actually work. So now I've put it on again, and then I do the same process, and then now it's gone. So it's asking for facial recognition, and I said I will do that later. But now my account is created. Just very simple. The VPN is enabled in this region that it gave me. So now I have to verify before I can get a wallet address. And if I did not get a wallet, if I did not verify, and I just go ahead to get a wallet address, it's going to give me error actually. So I will have to verify, with some information. Your BVN is what you are going to use actually. Your BVN is just what you are going to use as a Nigerian, and you don't have to lie that you are not from Nigeria, even though you use a VPN that's different from another country. So now it's the VPN of Germany that it actually gave me, and that's why it automatically selects Germany. So I will have to change it to Nigeria. So I just click on it and search for Nigeria, because the country you select will determine the type of ID card that you are going to use. So I click Nigeria and issuing country as well. I also select Nigeria. I also select Nigeria for issuing country and ID type. The only one that's there is BVN or NIN for Nigeria. So I click on I click on it, and then we have to click on continue. And then when I click on continue, it's going to show me other informations, and then I will also put my BVN or NIN as well. So now I am a resident of or live in, it doesn't accept USA at all. So all countries except USA, just click on that and continue. Now these are the verification that are needed for this BitGet. So non-document verification with your BVN, and then a selfie. Very, very fast as well. Within a minute, you will be done with all this. So non-documents, you have to choose Nigeria, and then the method is BVN. So put your BVN there. I will not show you mine, so that's why I will just paste it and then click on continue without showing you that. But it says your data has been submitted successfully when I put my BVN there. So now this my selfie again automatically proceed to selfie, and then I took my selfie and said your face scan is complete. And now if I click on continue, identity verification under review. So it's under a review. It will take like an hour before it's being reviewed, but of course within 30 minutes I got it. So if I go to the address to get a CAT address, it's telling me that I cannot do this except I've been verified first. So I'll just have to wait for a while, for that an hour, and I've waited. So I click on asset now, and I click on add fund here, and then I click on deposit crypto, and then I will search for CATS, and then it brings this CAT. So you can see the icon that is the right CAT. So you can copy this address. So after copying this address, then we can now go to Telegram, and then under this CAT you can come to airdrop, and then come to click on exchanges, and then click on continue. And in this BitGet, so you can get additional 30,000. So you just click on continue, and it's asking if I have an account. I say mail, I have it already. So this is the deposit, this is the address that I copied just now, and then I paste it there. And then for the UID, I just have to go back to BitGet, and just go back, click on the arrow back button. The UID is not here, and then I just want to click on home, and then top left corner over here I'll be able to see my UID. So I click on the number and it copies it. So it copies my UID, and I go back to Telegram, and then I paste the UID there, because we are on a time down right now and ByBit is not listing CATS yet. So that's why we just have to use BitGet. And so I put it there and say I'm eligible, and I click withdraw CATS. So that's just how to do it. Very, very simple actually.